Okay, so we're almost done here. We're gonna put the valve body in, which is like last. We're about to do that here after we get this off the stand and move it to the bench. We got the front pump assembly in. It's kind of hard to show step by step because you keep working and then you forget the video. You got there's your new second gear apply servo, new band strut. Like I said, billet lever. There's your accumulator blocker piston. Also a new billet aluminum low reverse apply piston. So we are almost done with this thing and doing this, pretty much going on 8 hours here to tear it all apart and clean it, which took a good while. As you can see, it's still not perfect. I gotta take it home and work on it some more before I paint it, but about 8 hours to tear it apart, clean it, and overhaul it.